Hi. The office is located at the fourth floor of Amar Business Park. Right in front of this is the Bane Road, and towards the right, it's the highway, Mumbai Pune highway. So this is the entrance. There's a wooden door, and then there's a glass door. This is the area where the branding will come, and there are two focus lights right here. Here there's a central nice light again. This area can be used for reception and waiting. We don't need reception for our company, so we are planning a flexible area here. We'll be probably putting a foosball table, and later when we need, we can put a table for four. As we go forward, there's a small pantry. So you can place a fridge, microwave, a water purifier, etc. right here. There's a washroom, and then there's some space for storage. All of this will be cleared. So we have designed it in a very nice and new looking design. There's some wooden work and some POP work. All the lights are LED and strip lights. So as you enter the main area, here there are two huge tables. On both of these tables, 3 people can sit on one side. So in total, 12 people can sit very, very easily. If you want to accommodate more, 4 people on each side can also sit. So it can accommodate up to 16. Then there are 4 couches. These are very long and broad couches. These are wider than railway berths, so you can comfortably sleep and sit here. Right in front of this, there will be 4 of these small tables, so they can be used for working on the laptop, or they can also be rotated from this side. Let me do this. So you can rotate this and use it for comfortable sitting. Maybe you want to put your legs up, or you want to serve some snacks to your guest. So all of that can be done. Right in front of this, again, there's an area for small storage, some magazines, some maybe you want to place some coffee mugs, etc. And here you can place planters. So this on top. A lot of planters will come here. So this is the area. As we entered from in the main area, this all area is on the right. There are again nice lights here and 2 cassette AC. The ceiling design has been done in very minimal and very factory-looking raw style. On the left-hand side, there are 2 cabins. Again, there are some wooden work on the wall and on the ceiling. There are the lights here, and there will be a TV for presentation, etc. Plus, there's a whiteboard on this side, and so this room can be used for various purposes. It can act as a room for a director, or it can be used for a dedicated team of 4 people who can sit here, or it can be used for meetings of up to 7 people. Exactly same size and cabin. Another one is here. So there are 2 private areas that you can create out of this space. In both of these, the space for ACs, all the connections, etc. is already done.